Customize a built-in scene with DIY. Open the scene library. Choose a scene you want to customize. Tap the edit icon to open the DIY scene editor. Customize the selected scene with your own settings. Choose a lighting effect. For example, select pulse. Tap play to preview the effect in real time. You can switch to another effect at any time. Set the direction of the moving light effect. Add colors to your custom scene. Add colors to your custom scene. Set the speed of the lighting effect. The preview updates instantly as you adjust the settings. Tap play to run the customized scene. Review the lighting effect before saving. Tap save when you are satisfied with the result. Enter a name for your custom scene. Your saved scene is now available in the scene library.